Hello all, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my experience on the day 3. This is the most exciting part as this includes physical activity as well. In earlier 2 days, we just used our brains to do the task, but on day 3 and day 4, we'll be using both mental and physical activity combined, and that's going to be fun. So in this video, I'm going to share you the day 3 activities and how it went for us. So just like every day, we need to report by 6:30 a.m. in the morning in the ground after having breakfast. But today the uniform will be different. White t-shirt and white short and white socks and white shoe. There will be a lot of mosquitoes in the surroundings, so they will give you 𝗚𝗲 to counteract that. Thanks to 𝗚𝗲, it worked great. So we are a total of 24 people and divided into 3 teams. 8 3s 24, 8 and 8 and 8. So 1 to 8 one group, 9 to 16 and 17 to 24 is one group. After dividing us into groups, they will be taking us to the group discussion area, open area with 8 chairs. So day 3, the event schedule goes like this. 2 group discussions and 1 progressive group test which consists of 4 or 5 obstacles and lecturette, group planning exercise, and that's it for the day. So I'll be covering each and every topic. For the group discussions, there will be 2 group discussions. One is related to current affairs and one is a static topic. So for the current affairs part, he will be giving us 4 topics to choose from and group will decide one topic and we'll have discussion on the topic. Second will be a static topic. He will give directly one topic and we need to discuss about it. In this group discussion, we need not to come to a conclusion, but we have to discuss the topic for around 5 to 10 minutes. The GTO officer will be assessing us while we discuss, while we participate and all. So the next event is GPE, group planning exercise. In this exercise, all the 8 members will be sitting in front of a map painted on a wooden plank, or it can be anything. The GTO officer will be explaining all the things on the map and routes. He will explain all the routes, what are the monuments, what are the landscape. He will make us understand the whole landscape before we proceed. After that, he will explain a story. It's better to say a small operation rather than a story. So the GTO officer will be briefing us about the operation which we need to conduct. After briefing us, he will be giving you a small sheet of paper in which the same thing that GTO sir told us will be there. You need to read it for about 5 minutes so you can understand the things better. So in the group planning exercise, the small operation or the story will be like this. Some people are going from point A to point B and they need to cross this road. Some robbers are trying to rob the village and destroy the bridge and remove the fish plates from the railway track, etc, etc, and ready to blast the monument. So you will be having different kinds of situations happening at the same time and they will give you the timings as well. So according to the timings, you need to analyze the map and situation and divide the people into teams to solve the problem and get back to the event or anything that's stated according to the map. So you need to solve all the things and get back to the point where you intended to. It's a good exercise and you can refer to some examples online. After 5 minutes, he will take the sheet and give you an empty sheet. So you have to write your solution over there. What's your plan and what are the things available, how you solve this, etc, etc. So after that, GTO sir will ask you to discuss about the plan. So 8 people in the group will be having different plans. So they will discuss with each other about the plan they are going to execute and come to a conclusion. So let's talk about PGT and HGT and group obstacle race. Group obstacle race is the most interesting thing. I will talk about it in a moment. Let's go in order. So first they conducted PGT for us and then HGT. PGT and HGT are more like the similar things, but in the PGT, progressive group task, all the 8 people will be doing the task. There will be a small puzzle like thing. You need to use plank, rope and one thick bamboo stick to cross the obstacles. The GTO sir will be telling you all the instructions you need to follow and things to avoid while doing the tasks, etc, etc. What happens in PGT is, due to a lot of people discussing, you may not able to come to a conclusion quicker. But in the half group task, there will be a limited people and you can discuss it easily and you can cross the obstacles a bit faster. The next thing is group obstacle race, the most interesting thing. You will be given a rolled up tent that looks like a snake, so it's called snake race as well. So 3 teams will be standing parallel to each other and fighting for the race. You will have series of obstacles and rules to follow to cross that. So you will be having spider web, jump, double wall, single wall. For us, double wall is in maintenance, so we need not to do that. It's a huge wall. But anyhow, the remaining obstacles were good, and so for the group obstacle race you need to choose a war cry. Like we chose Durga Bata Ki Jai, and some people chose Bharat Mata Ki Jai, some people chose Jai Hind. For the day 3, the biggest highlight will be group obstacle race for anyone. If you're going to the SSB, enjoy the group obstacle race. It will be a lot of fun. In group obstacle race you will be working in teams, shouting, crying, etc. Shouting the war cry. So for us there are 3 teams, so each team is fighting to gain the supremacy and cross the finish line first. Our team crossed the finish line second. After that you will be given a break to replenish yourself with water and go to loo break, etc, etc. And after that there will be an event called lecturate. This is the last event of the day. All these events will be completed by 11 AM or so. GTO sir will be giving you a card which is having 4 topics. You need to choose one topic and prepare for 3 minutes and come to the stage, in front of the other 7 people, and you need to deliver the talk for about 3 minutes. To help you with the time, that time is about to up, he will ring a bell after 2 minutes 30 seconds. After 2 minutes 50 seconds he will again ring the bell that you need to conclude the topic. After 3 minutes he will ring the bell again, so you need to come back to your place, and one other person who is preparing will be coming and delivering his talk. My topics are mostly of current affairs and I don't have any idea about them. But one topic which I have good grip on is electric vehicles and energy efficiency. So as I am from mechanical background and I have good knowledge about vehicles and all, I can speak about it. So I choose the topic and prepare for 3 minutes and gave my talk. With the end of lecturate, that's the end of the day for the activities, and some people are left with interviews. They will be having the interview schedule. After having lunch we went to watch a movie. We watched PK movie there and had some fun, played snooker, table tennis. I'm new to those games but tried playing them and we had fun with other friends. So this is pretty much it for the day 3, and I'll meet you in the next one with day 4 and day 5 video. Until then, bye bye.